Old Fashioned, a 200-year-old cocktail, comes under 6 essential cocktails in the history of bartending. Swadhi Krap, my name is Deepak and welcome you back in the Bartender series BKK. In year 1862, in the book called The Bon Vivante Companion, or you can say How to Mix Your Drink, the writer, Mr. Jerry Thompson, also known as Professor of American Bartending History, wrote about a drink named cocktail. That's the first time somebody mentioned about the cocktail in a book. Mr. Jerry Thompson wrote, the cocktail is a concoction of 4 ingredients, that is spirit, number 2 is water, number 3 is sweetness, and number 4 is citrus or bitter. So that's the first time somebody mentioned about the bitter, and that time only one bitter is available in the market, that is Angostura Aromatic Bitter. He talking about a cocktail called Old Fashioned. Jerry Thompson say Old Fashioned is a concoction of a really good bourbon with the sugar, so sugar cube or white sugar with ice and the bitter on the top, stirred together and served with orange slice. This is what about the Old Fashioned. You can also use Ray whiskey, American whiskey of course, because they are a little bit of sweeter side and at the same time seasoned. But today we are not going to talk about whiskey Old Fashioned, we are going to talk about the rum Old Fashioned. The rum Old Fashioned come in the light between 20th to 21st century, many different variation. First time somebody mentioned about the rum Old Fashioned in his book or his write-up or something in 2009 by Mr. Gonzalo de Souza in Berlin, Germany. Mention about a cocktail which is concoction of a beautiful aged rum, bitter, sugar and ice. Instead of using sugar, he used Demerara sugar syrup. The sugar syrup made with the Demerara sugar. Also, he served with the orange zest, perfectly served and very famous since that time. And right now, all around the world, we can see many variations of this particular cocktail. Today, we're going to make a very beautiful cocktail with the name of Neighborhood Old Fashioned. Neighborhood Old Fashioned, a story from Venezuela, which is the birthplace of Angostura Aromatic Bitters and also Diplomatico rum. Right now we have Diplomatico Exclusive Reserva, a 12-year-old fine finish rum from Venezuela, and we have Angostura Aromatic Bitter from the House of Angostura, which they also have Angostura Aromatic Bitter and Angostura Cacao Bitter, which we're going to use it to make this beautiful concoction. To start a drink, we need a old fashioned glass, also known as double rock, or you can say rock glass, in a different places, named in a different way. 1 bar spoon white sugar, 1 bar spoon of water, Angostura Aromatic Bitter 3 drops, Angostura Orange Bitter 3 drops, all spiced rum 1 bar spoon, stir it to dilute the sugar a bit. Next step, ice. Now we have everything in our glass apart from one of the important things, that's rum. We're going to use Diplomatico Reserva Exclusive from Venezuela, one of the best sipping rum available in the market, 12-year-old aged rum with a long lasting finishing. And that's the best part, and that's the reason I want to use this 12-year-old rum in my Old Fashioned. 2 oranges, stir, simply garnish with orange peel. Neighborhood Old Fashioned from Venezuela with love. This is all about neighborhood old fashioned. Have a sip. Let us know your feedback in the inbox. Subscribe up to over here and stay tuned for the more videos like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Bartender Series Bangkok for the more amazing video like this, because we love to share. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.